Hello everyone. In this video, we want to discuss how to find the cube root of any numbers that have perfect cube. Any numbers that have perfect cube. Several methods have been employed by different authors, different scholars, different tutors on how to find cube root of numbers. But most of the methods observed could not solve all the problems. I've observed closely that there are some of these methods that cannot generally solve any numbers with perfect cube. But here I've brought to you a method that can stand the test of time, a tested and trusted method that can find the cube roots of any numbers that have perfect cube. Here we go. Now, to find the cube root of 5,832, first of all, look at the digits or the last digits of that number. The last digit of that number is 2. So let me give us a table first. Let me give us a table. Now, this is the what we say your answer, digit answer. Let me call it digit answer. So given digits or last digit. Let me call it that way. Okay. So if your digit ends in 0, the answer will end in 0. If it ends in 1, the answer will end in 1. If it ends in 2, your answer will end in 8. If it ends in 3, your answer will end in 7. If it ends in 4, it will still be 4. If it ends in 5, it will be 5. If it ends in 6, it will be 6. If it ends in 7, it will be 3. If it ends in 8, it will be 2. Okay? And it ends in 9, it will be 9. So this 0 maps 0, 1 maps 1, 2 maps 8, 3 maps 7, 4 maps 4, 5 maps 5, 6 maps 6, 7 maps 3, 8 maps 2, and 9 maps 9. Okay, having known this, now our given question 5,832 ends in what? 2. That means our answer will end in what? If it last digit given is 2, your answer will end in 8. Now let's go. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Now, okay. Having known that, that means our guess is our last answer will end in 8. Now the second method is this. Now check if your, let's say the given problem is between 10 raised power 3 and 20 raised power 3. What is 10 raised power 3? That is 1,000 to this is what? 8,000. So you choose one. You choose one. You add one to add one. Let's say add 1. Okay? If it is between 20 cube to 30 cube, which is this is what? 8,000. Okay? Get to 27,000. Okay? Then you pick what? You add 2 to the given what? To the given to the last digit. So if it's between 30 cube to 40 cube, which is going to be what? 27,000 to this 64,000. Then you had what? You had what? 3. Okay. Now let's check. Let's check. Now let me clean this now. Let's, obviously for cleaning, this given value 5,832 is between 1,000 and 8,000. So in that case, we are going to add what? 1 to this given answer. So that means, without wasting our time, the answer for this one is what? 18. 18. If you check, the cube root of 5,832 is 18. Now, let's look at another example. Now, let's look at another interesting example. Suppose we are asked to find this. Suppose we are asked to find, I think, let's say 39, find the cube root of 13,824. Good. This is another interesting one. Find the cube root of 13,824. Fine. Now, the first step is the last digit what's the last digit? It's 4. So our answer will end in 4. Beautiful. That's it. Okay, from that mapping. Now let's check. This entire number, in fact, is more than, because it's 10 cube to 20 cube. It will not fall. This number doesn't fall here because this is 1,000 to 8,000. The number is more than that. 20 cube to 30 cube. That's what? 8,000 to 27,000. Does it fall in? Yes. No, this is 13,000. So it's between 8,000 and what? And 27,000. I hope you get that. Fine. So like I said in the previous example, what do you need to do? Just add 2, because this one you had 1. If it is between 1,000 and 8,000, you add 1 to this value. But if it is between this and this, you add 2. Like I said, therefore, the answer to this is going to be what? 24. You can use your calculator to check if this is correct or not. You're talking about the cube root. Now, your assignment works. Find the cube root. Find the cube root of, let me give you this, 39,304, and write your answer in the comment section. Bye.